Moving can be frustrating. That's why we're here to help you where we can, by connecting your internet, TV, and phone services to your new home as efficiently as possible, with easy setup, quick installation, and a renowned local service. Although the moving process will vary slightly depending on what services you currently have and what will be available at your new address, we aim to make the transition as pain-free and hands-off as possible for you. Overall, these are the steps we will go through together as you get ready to head to your new home. Call us when you know you're moving so we can qualify your new address and see what execulink services are available in that area. We recommend at least 3 weeks in advance. Once we know what's available at your new address, we will plan how and when we can switch your services over. We will identify any new hardware you may need and arrange shipments, as well as setup and installation time. When you're ready to move, make sure you bring all the appropriate execulink hardware with you if necessary. It really couldn't be easier, and best of all, there are no associated fees with moving your services and there are no costs for installation. While we can't help with packing your boxes, we can ensure your internet, TV, and phone services move seamlessly with you for uninterrupted connectivity.